Samsung ruled the flip-style phone space for years with its Z Flip devices up until last year when the Motorola Razr Plus 2023 dethroned the Flip. This year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 aims to reverse the course and get back its title as one of the best foldable phones. Obviously, all the usual upgrades are in tow with this charming little flippable, like its new 50MP main camera, more durable design, and more functional flex window display. These hardware changes are good, but they are supplemented by the same Galaxy AI features I found helpful in saving me time with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, plus a few new AI capabilities. If that's not enough, there is a much bigger emphasis on personalizing the Galaxy Z Flip 6. These are all fine and dandy for any phone release. However, it's going to take a lot to convince people to shell out an additional $100 more now that the Samsung has raised the price of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. In my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 review, I will tell you if all these new AI features and upgrades justify that higher $1,099 starting price for this phone. I am very excited for the cameras in the Galaxy Z Flip 6. That's because the phone now features an upgraded 50MP main camera paired with 12MP ultra-wide lens. The former is a huge step up from the Z Flip 5's 12MP camera, but it is made better because of how the Galaxy Z Flip 6 leverage pixel binding to offer a reasonable 2x zoom with optical lag quality. This is the smarter way to approaching the camera, seeing that it effectively offers the range in most triple camera setups, but with a more compact dual camera arrangement instead. There is also a new camcorder mode, just like on the Razr Plus 2024, that gives a nostalgic feel when the phone's folded in the halfway position, complete with zoom control at your fingertips. Another new feature is the intelligent way the Galaxy Z Flip 6 can frame my shots with AI zoom. No matter who I am shooting, whether it's just myself or a group of people, the AI zoom will automatically frame the shot correctly. Similar to Samsung's Galaxy S flagships, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 benefits from a rich camera app that's filled with all the modes you'd want in a phone and a few extras like hyperlapse, dual recording, and portrait video. There is even a pro video mode with full manual control, which few camera apps offer. I also love how the flex window can be turned on to act as a preview screen, making it perfect for blogging and self-recordings. As a videographer, these features are a tremendous help. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is undoubtedly a phone for creators with its rich set of features and tools, but ultimately its camera performance will show me if it's worthy of being a best camera phone contender. Here are some camera samples of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I genuinely like the Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's a charming flip phone with more utility than the average slate, while it's still offering one of the best-in-class cameras among foldables. There are also the handful of new Galaxy AI features that add a dash of extra convenience into the mix. Despite all of this, it's hard to overlook how Samsung is demanding $100 more for this phone with a higher cost in tow. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 doesn't convince me enough that it's doing more or performing better than the competition, and I don't have to look far because the Razr Plus 2024 proves my point. Not only does it have a much longer battery life and brighter screen, Motorola still manages to throw in a larger, higher resolution outer screen. Given the $100 premium this foldable now commands, I was hoping for so much more with the Z Flip 6 to make it a compelling reason for people to upgrade or switch to it. Unless you find a deal that's hard to pass up, Samsung doesn't do as good of a job at convincing me that there is $100 worth of improvements in this year's device.